This week's record rainfall filled up the rivers and channels. And a lot rushed into LA County's spreading grounds.
We got a lot of rain, an atmospheric river, but it's our Super Bowl, so we're ready for it.
In fact, the county says it was able to harvest 3.6 billion gallons of water from just this storm.
That's enough for 89,000 residents for a year.
LA County Public Works spokesperson Liz Vasquez says the Rio Hondo spreading grounds here in Montebello is one of more than 24 in the county that collect rainwater and runoff, which then percolates into the groundwater basins for pumping.
But this is our flagship spreading grounds.
And one of how many?
One of 27 spreading grounds.
So that's quite a lot of water and quite a dent in LA's demand.
But professor of urban planning and public policy at UCI, David Feldman, says a lot of that rain also went right back out into the ocean.
With these atmospheric rivers, we have to kind of rethink how often these kinds of events will happen and do a better job of long-term planning.
Take a look at these spreading grounds. You're going to see a 2-mile stretch about a half-mile wide just full of this rainwater. But one challenge is, how do we collect even more of that rainwater with such limited space and so much concrete? Well, one solution is to do it right in your own neighborhood.
We need to adopt what is called green infrastructure, and we could actually harvest water along roadway areas by having more impermeable surfaces, more plants being planted.
The county says it has collected more than 23 billion gallons of water since last October. 40% of the water used is pumped from these groundwater supplies. The goal is to double that in the next 2 decades. In Montebello, Jasmine Veal, KCAL News.